Now we are discussing about limits and continuity. So first of all, we discuss about limits. Limits. This is the ninth chapter in 11th standard. Ninth chapter, 11th standard. So first of all, what is the limit? What is the limit? Limit is denoted by LIM, sometimes denoted by LT, otherwise LMI also, no problem. So limit applied to any function. If it is continuous function, we can apply the limit. So limit meaning limit of function x, whereas x tends to some any real value, some c. If x tends to c of f of x, it reaches to L. This value is L. Then this L is called limit of the function. If x reach to c, then f of x reach to L. Then this is called limit of the function. So here c is the one real number. When this limit exists, so the neighborhood of c, left hand limit and right hand limit. So suppose the function is like this. This is the f of x function. Any value c, suppose here c value. So x tends to c, this meaning x tends to c meaning not equal to c. X is not equal to c, tends to c, reach to c, either right hand side or left hand side. So this side, this is the right side, left side limit. This is right side limit. So here onwards count like this, reach to c value. In this side also left to right, left. This point is c, near to this values, right and left sides. This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis origin. So this is the limit system. Suppose according to this system, we apply the any function, that standard formulas here, some standard formulas. Number 1, in the standard formulas, formula or formulae for limits. Number 1, limit x tends to a, not equal to a, x tends to a. X to the power n minus a to the power n by x minus a. This is the first formula. This formula is n into a power n minus 1. If x is equal to a, then what happen? Here 0, here 0. But x tends to a. That's why this value n into a power of n minus 1. This is the first formula. For example, x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 division x minus 2, limit x tends to 2. This is the function f of x in terms of x. So you observe here x, here 2, here 2. Here x tends to 2. Otherwise, it is also this 2 left hand side, x minus 2 tends to 0. Both are same. Whereas x tends to 2, otherwise x minus 2 tends to 0. Both are same meaning. So x minus 2 tends to 0, not equal to 0. If it is 0, not defined. X tends to 2, otherwise x minus 2 tends to 0. In this case, so x is the x, n is the 3, a is the 2, here 2, here 2, here 2, all are balanced according to this formula. So here n is equal to 3 value, a value 2. That's why this is equal to n is the 3 multiply a is the 2 power 3 minus 1. So it is equal to 3 into 2 power 2. 3 multiply, it is 4, it is equal to 12. This is the limit value, 12. Now coming to another problem. Limit x tends to 5, x to the power of 4, 625 by x minus 5. This is the function. We apply the limit x tends to 5. Not equal to 5. It reached to 5. So this value is also written as limit x tends to 5, x to the power 4. This 625 is the 5 to the power 4. 5 square 25, 25 square 625. So it is also written as 5 to the power of 4 by x minus 5. So this is also according to formula x power of n, a power of n by x minus a. So here n is equal to 4, a is equal to 5. Now according to formula n into a power n minus 1. So n is the 5, 4 and a is the 5, power of n 4 minus 1, 4 into 5 power of 3. So this is equal to 4 into 5 power of 3 is the 125. 125 multiplied by 4, it is equal to 500. This is the value of the limit. Another standard formula. Second, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. This is the standard limit. X not equal to 0, x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. And another limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, it is also 1. Fourth, limit x tends to 0, a power x, otherwise e power x minus 1 by x, it is also 1. Fifth, limit x tends to 0, a to the power of x minus 1 by x, it is log a value, base e. A power of x minus 1 by x, it is equal to log a, standard values these are. If the function in terms of roots having, then we take the rationalization. Suppose root of x minus a is there. So this is root having. For the elimination of root 2, it is multiplied by root x plus a by root x plus a. This is called rationalization. Now, exercise 9.2 from the limits. Evaluate the following limits. Evaluation, calculation. Here, first problem, limit x tends to 2. Here, x to the power 4 minus 16 by x minus 2 is given. We find the limit value. So, this is written as previous formula x to the power of n minus a power of n by x minus a. If that standard is there, we take the formula n into a power of n minus 1. So, first of all, we identify n value how much, a value how much. Limit x to a x to the power of n minus a power of n by x minus a. It is equal to n into a power of n minus 1. This is the formula. Since by using this formula, n is equal to 4 here. So a is equal to 2. These are the in the problem given. So according to n is the 4. A, this also power 4 need. So this is 2 to the power of 4. This function is equal to limit x tends to 2, x to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power 4 by x minus 2. So formula what? N into a power of n minus 1. N is the 4, a is the 2, power n minus 1, 4 minus 1. So this is equal to 4 multiply 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is the 2, 2, 2. Triple times. 2 2 is 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 4, 32. This is the limit of value. Here, x to the power of m minus 1 power of something. 1 means 1 to the power of 0 also 1. 1 to the power of 1, 1. 1 to the power of 2 also. 1 to the power of something. It is equal to always 1. So this is written as limit x tends to 1, x to the power of m minus 1 to the power of m by x to the power of n minus 1 to the power of n. So instead of n is m there. Here instead of m, n having, otherwise n instead of n, m also there. So this is the function in terms of x, here x, here x. So we write as this formula. So limit x tends to 1 is divisible by x minus 1. So x to the power of m minus 1 power of m by division x minus 1. This is extra. Again this problem, x power of n minus 1 power of n division by x minus 1. So this x minus 1 denominator, here also x minus 1 denominator, both are cancelled. Then x power of m minus 1 power of m, x power of n minus 1 power of n, these two terms as it is. So change where denominators. That means multiplying and dividing. This is multiplication, this is the division. Both are cancelled, but it is equal to this one. But it is in the form of x power of n, a power of n, x a. So instead of n, here m is there, here n is there. According to this formula, this is n means m into a, 1 power of m minus 1. Here n, 1 power of n minus 1. So 1 power of something 1, here also. Finally m by n is the right answer. We check this formula according to this. X power of n compulsory minus a power of n. Here x minus a only, not powers. So here x power of m, here x power of n. Both are having powers. Here only x minus a. That's why this function converted to this type. So anyhow, this also one formula. X power of m minus 1 by x power of n minus 1 is equal to m by n. Otherwise, another formula in terms of m and you remember x power of m minus a power of m by x power of n minus a power of n. Limit x tends to a. For this formula, m by n, a to the power of m minus n. This is the other formula, shortcut formula. Here third problem, limit root x tends to 3. Here x square minus 81 by under root division under root of x minus 3 is given. Find the limit. So here root x given, but here root x, here not root x. Let us root x is equal to t. Then x value t square. X square value t to the power of 4. Next we apply here. Where is the root x? There is the t. limit root x is the t tends to 3. X square value in terms of t to the power of 4 minus 81 to the power is written as 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 value 81. 3 3 is 9. 9 9 is 81. Now denominator, this is t minus 3 as it is. So this is the form of x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a, whereas x tends to 3. Instead of x is putting 3. So according to that formula, n into a power n minus 1. Here n value is 4, a value is 3. We substitute here. 4 multiply a, 3 power 4 minus 1. It is 4 into 3 power of 3. It is equal to 4 into 27. 3 3 is 9 into 3, 27. 4 into 27. 4 7 is 28. 2 4 2 is 8 into 1, not 8 is the right answer. Here roots are there. 2 roots are there. By using rationalization is a very easy method. Otherwise, we add x and subtract x, both cases. So, limit h tends to 0 is given. So, root of x plus h minus root of x division h. So, by using the rationalized method, so here minus instead of put plus plus, multiplication and denominator. Root of x plus h plus root x by root x plus h plus root x. This is the rationalization method. So this is a minus b into a plus b. This term cancelled by 1 only. But here a minus b, this total root value a, this value b, this is a, this is b, a minus b, a plus b. That formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, using this formula. So this numerator will come x plus h, root square is the positive, minus b square, this is the a square. Next b square is the root x square is the x. A square is the root x plus h whole square. Root and square cancelled. B square, root x square, root cancelled. So this is the a square minus b square. And denominator h as it is into this also as it is, root of x plus h plus x, root x. Whereas limit h tends to 0. Here x gets cancelled. Remaining numerator only h. Division of h, multiplication root of x plus h plus root x. Limit h tends to 0. Here h both are cancelled. So remaining 1 by root x plus h plus root x, where limit h tends to 0. Here h tends to 0 means root x 1. Here root x also 1. So 1 by root x plus root x. When we apply the limit h tends to 0, this is equal to 1 by root x twice. So 2 root x. This is the answer. Here x tends to 5. Fifth problem. Here 5 plus 4, 9. Root of 9, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Here 5 minus 5, 0. But not 0, 0. Here x tends to 5, not 5. That's why here rationalizing, here root is here. Root of x plus 4 minus 3 by x minus 5 as it is. For this root, here root having, so minus is here. So opposite root of x plus 4 plus 3 by root of x plus 4 plus 3. This is the rationalization about numerator, not denominator. So after this it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Whereas limit x tends to 5. This is the extra step according to this value. A minus b is there for the rationalization. A plus b by a plus b need. That's why a minus b into a plus b is the a square. So a square means root x plus 4 whole square. Root is cancelled. Minus b square. B square is the 3 square 9. By it is as it is x minus 5. This also as it is root of x plus 4 plus 3. Whereas limit x tends to 5. After this x minus 9 plus 4. This value minus 5. X minus 5. Division. This is also x minus 5. Here this is as it is x plus 4 plus 3. Whereas limit x tends to 5 as it is. So here x minus 5, here x minus 5 gets cancelled. Remaining under root of x plus 4 plus 3. We apply the limit x tends to 5 as it is. So here 5 plus 4 9. 5 plus 4 9 plus 3. It is equal to 1 by 3 plus 3. It is 9. Root of 9 is the 3 plus 3. So it is 1 by 6. After this, here limit x tends to 2 as it is. Take LCM. This is the 2x LCM. 2 minus this is the x. By division, this is x minus 2 as it is. After this, limit x tends to 2. 2 minus x by 2x. This is also denominator. We take 2 minus x minus taken common outside. X minus 2. If we take minus taken common outside, 2 minus x will come. 2 minus x, 2 minus x gets cancelled. Next 1 by minus 2x. 1 by minus 2x is here. Whereas limit x tends to 2. 1 by 2 minus into 2. It is equal to minus 1 by 4 is the right answer. Here something different problem. In the numerator root having, denominator also root having. In 8th problem also numerator and denominator both are in roots. So we are taking the rationalization both numerator and denominator. So here root x as it is minus x square. For this rationalization, root x plus x square by root x plus x square. For the numerator, it is the rationalization. At the same time, denominator also having root. Division of 1 minus root x. For this rationalization factor, 1 plus root x by 1 plus root x. This is the total limit. Whereas limit x tends to 1. So this limit applicable to both numerator and denominator also. So now a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. A square what coming? Root x square is the x minus b square. B square meaning x square square. So x to the power of 4 coming. Division. This value as it is, no change. Root of x plus x square as it is. And denominator here a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square is nothing but 1 square is the 1. Minus b square is the root x square. It is the x by. This is as it is, no change here. 1 plus root x. Whereas limit x tends to 0 for the numerator, 1. Here also limit x tends to 1. Denominator also. Then here x common. here x common, then x multiply 1 minus x cube by root x plus x square. This is as it is. Here this also as it is, 1 minus x by 1 plus root x. After this 1 minus x cube is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula. Since a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. This is the required formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So according to this, we enlarge x multiply 1 minus x. This is the a minus b. 1 is nothing but 1 cube. So a cube, b cube is the x cube. So a minus b, 1 minus x into 1 square. A square is the 1 square is the 1 plus b square is the x square plus ab is the 1 into x only. Division here root x plus x square as it is 1 minus x division of 1 plus root x. So here 1 minus x gets cancelled. Here x having, here x, all terms are x. So after we substitute x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1. So after this, x is the 1 plus 1 square 1 by, here also 1 plus 1, here 1 by 1 plus root of 1 is the 1. So completely this is above value 3, below value 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. 2 gets cancelled. 2 by 1 by 2 gets cancelled is equal to 3 answer. Next 8th problem, this one. Both are having roots, either numerator or denominator. Both are having roots. That's why we taking the rationalization on both numerator and denominator. So according to that, limit x tends to 0 as it is. For the numerator, root of x square plus 1 minus 1. For this, multiply by root of x square plus 1 under root plus 1 by same number, x square plus 1 under root plus 1. That rationalization is over. After that, denominator, root of x square plus 16 under root minus 4. For this purpose, rationalized factor is the root of x square plus 16 plus 4 by same x square plus 16 plus 4. For whole limit x tends to 0 only. Now it is changed to a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. A square means this root cancelled, x square plus 1, this is the a square, minus b square is the 1 square is the 1. Denominator as it is, root of x square plus 1 under root plus 1. This is the numerator. And denominator here, a minus b into a plus b. So a square, root x square plus 16, root cancelled, minus b square means 4 square is the 16, by this is as it is, x square plus 16 plus 4. So here 1 cancelled, here 16 cancelled. Whereas limit x tends to 0 as it is. After that, here x square only. So remaining x square next step cancelled. Here x square by x square plus 1 under root plus 1 division x square by under root of x square plus 16 under root plus 4. Here This x square gets cancelled, whereas limit extends to 0. Now apply 0. Here x square, 0 plus 1, only 1 here, this term. 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. Here also, 1 by, this is root 0 plus 16, root of 16. 4, this is also 4, 4 plus 4. This is 1 by 2 by 1 by 8. 2 4s. Finally, 4 we get the answer. In this ninth problem, also having the root numerator. So, limit x tends to 0 under root of 1 plus x minus 1 by x multiplied by rationalization factor root of 1 plus x here minus, so this is considered plus 1. Root of 1 plus x plus 1. This is the rationalization. So a minus b into a plus b. A square 1 plus x minus b square. 1 square is the 1 by x multiply under root of 1 plus x plus 1 as it is. This is only this changed. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. This as it is. After that 1 cancel, whereas limit extends to 0. Remaining x by x under root of 1 plus x plus 1. X gets cancelled, limit extends to 0. Remaining 1 by under root of 1 plus x plus 1 having limit extends to 0. You apply here 0. Root of 1 by 1 plus 1. It is equal to 1 by 2 is the. Here little bit change. 2 minus root of x plus 2. Here rationalization factor 2 plus root of x plus 2. That is enough. But here different power 1 by 3 is there. So for this limit x tends to 2 minus root of x plus 2. For this rationalization factor 2 plus root of x plus 2. Division same term 2 plus root x plus 2. This is over. After this here this one is the 2 power 1 by 3 minus 4 minus x power 1 by 3. This rationalization number 2 power here 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 power of 2 by 3. Here a minus b, here a square plus b square plus ab need plus 4 minus x power 2 by 3 plus ab. So 2 power 1 by 3 4 minus x power 1 by 3. So for this how it is come? For a cube minus b cube, it is written as a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So for this number, multiplication number is a square plus b square plus ab. That's why again we divide by this number. Division of 2 power of 2 by 3 plus 4 minus x power of 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 4 minus x power 1 by 3. Multiplication and division. This is cancelled by 1, here also 1. But these are the rationalization factors. So here a minus b into a plus b. A square 4 minus b square root cancel x plus 2 by denominator as it is 2 plus root of x plus 2. This is as it is. And what is this? A minus b into a square plus b square plus a beta. So it is coming to a cube minus b cube. A cube is coming to 3 cancel only 2 minus b cube. This is power cancelled. Here power cancelled. A cube minus b cube coming. So 4 minus x only. Division of. This is as it is. 2 power 2 by 3 plus 4 minus x power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 4 minus x power 1 by 3. Here 4 minus x and minus 2. This is finally written as 4 minus 2, 2. minus x. Division. This is as it is. 2 plus root of x plus 2 as it is. This is over. Whereas limit extends to 2 as it is. Here also. Whereas limit extends to 2. And division. Here 2 minus 4 minus 2 and plus x minus 2 x minus 2, that means by here this is as it is 2 power 2 by 3 plus 4 minus x power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 4 minus x power 1 by 3. Limit extends to 2. So here 2 minus x, here x minus 2. That's why cancelled by minus 1. So this is going to numerator up minus this equal to limit extends to 2 minus this 2 power 2 by 3 plus 4 minus x power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 4 minus x power 1 by 3. This is numerator. This is going to numerator. And denominator what? This 2 plus root of x plus 2. This is the denominator. This is going to numerator and this is the denominator. Now we apply the limit extends to 2 minus 2 power of 2 by 3 as it is. Here 4 minus 2, 2 power 2 by 3. Here 2 power of 1 by 3. 4 minus 2, 2 into 2 power of 1 by 3. Division 2 plus x plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 minus. How many terms? These same terms. Otherwise you write as 2 power of 2 by 3 plus 2 power of 2 by 3. This is also 2 power of 2 by 3. Bases are same. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. By this is 2 plus 2. After this minus this is 3 times 3 into 2 power of 2 by 3 by 4. This means minus 3 2 square power 1 by 3. So 2 square means 4. 4 power 1 by 3. 2 square 4. Power 1 by 3 is there by 4. So minus 3 by 4. 4 power 1 by 3 means third root of 4. Minus 3 cube root of 4 by 4 is the last answer. Here this rationalization factor in 12th problem, limit extends to 0 under root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. This rationalization 1 plus x square plus 1 by under root of 1 plus x square plus 1. That's all. A minus b into a plus b. So root cancel. 1 plus x square. A square means root cancelled. Minus b square is the 1 square is the 1. X under root of 1 plus x square minus plus 1. Whereas limit extends to 0. Here 1 cancelled. So here x square by x. X square by x 1 plus x square under root 2 plus 1. So x gets cancelled. Only x by. Whereas limit extends to 0. Here x by under root of 1 plus x square plus 1. Whereas extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. 0 by 2. This is 0 by 2. 0 coming. Next here. Limit extends to 0. 1 plus x under root minus 1 by x square multiply by this rationalization 1 plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x under root plus 1. This is the rationalization factor. Next a square minus b square. Root of 1 plus x is the only 1 plus x minus b square is the 1. Division x square multiply root of 1 plus x plus 1. So here 1 gets cancelled, whereas limit extends to 0. Here x division x square under root of 1 plus x plus 1 only remaining. 1 x gets cancelled, x is here denominator, whereas limit extends to 0. 1 by x root of 1 plus x plus 1. So is equal to 1 by where x tends to 0. Here 0, this is 1 plus 1. So 1 by 0, something by 0 infinity. So that means the limit does not exist. This limit does not exist. Does not exist. Here root having. So for this rationalization factor, root of x minus 1 minus 2 by x minus 5 multiply root of x minus 1 plus 2 by root of x minus 1 plus 2. That's all. This limit applicable to all x tends to 5. So here a minus b into a plus b. A square, root cancelled, minus b square, 2 square is the 4 by x minus 5. This is as it is, root of x minus 1 plus 2. So finally this is x minus 5, whereas limit x tends to 5. X minus 5 by x minus 5 multiplication of root of x minus 1 plus 2. So this x minus 5 gets cancelled, limit x tends to 5. So we apply the 5 here. 1 by 5 minus 1, 4, root 4, 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 4 is the right answer. In this 15th problem also, root having 2 roots. So this limit x tends to a, root of x minus b under root minus root of a minus b under root by x square minus a square as it is. For this rationalization, root of x minus b plus consider root of a minus b by same number root of x minus b plus root of a minus b. A greater than b, what is the need of a greater than b? So here if a is equal to b, this 0. Here a is equal to b, b minus b 0. Here also b square minus a square, b is equal to a minus a square minus a square 0 by 0 form. So that's why a always greater than b. B value suppose 3, here also 3 not possible. Above 3 that means 4 or 5 etc. Next, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, x minus b minus b square is the a minus b, that is the numerator. In the denominator, x square minus a square is the x minus a into x plus a. And this is as it is, x minus b plus a minus b. This limit as it is, limit extends to a as it is. So here minus b minus a minus b plus b, this cancelled, remaining x minus a only by here x minus a, x plus a, this is as it is, root of x minus b plus root of a minus b. This x minus a gets cancelled, limit extends to a as it is. So 1 by this a apply here, a plus a to a, here this is root of a minus b, here also root of a minus b. So a minus b terms 2. So this is finally 1 by 2a, 2a here 2, 4, 4a under root of a minus b. Final answer 1 by 4a under root of